Working with legacy business reports and have a RSW file? This is a report definition from R&R Report Writer used for SQL database reporting. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to open and run these database report files. Quick check. Before proceeding, know that a universal viewer can often read the data within the RSW bus archive, even if it can't fully extract it. RSW files are SQL report definition files created by R&R Report Writer, a business reporting tool for SQL databases. They contain report layouts, SQL queries, grouping definitions, formatting rules, and output specifications used to generate formatted reports from database content for business analysis and operational reporting. RSW report files use a proprietary structured format, storing SQL query text report layout definitions, field positioning and formatting, headers, footers, grouping breaks, calculation formulas, and output destination settings. The format enables complete report regeneration from current database data using stored definitions and queries. Windows often defaults to associating RSW with the R&R ReportWorks solution from Liveware Publishing. Accessing the full range of data requires a validated decompression tool. Windows does not process proprietary data structures, so dedicated applications must read them. Open the context menu by right-clicking the RSW file and selecting Open With. Start your test with R&R ReportWorks if it shows up. If not, don't hesitate to try several other programs on your list. The problem with this RSW file isn't complicated. It's specific. We just need to verify a few key details on our checklist before moving to the fix. First, opening an R&R Report Writer. Launch R&R Report Writer, and use File then Open to load the RSW file. The application displays the report design in its layout view showing the SQL query data fields and formatting. Run the report against the connected database to generate current output using the stored report definition. Next, converting to modern formats. Migrate RSW reports to modern reporting tools like Crystal Reports, SQL Server, Reporting Services, or Microsoft Power BI. Document the SQL queries report layouts and formatting rules from the original RSW file. Recreate the reports in the modern tool preserving business logic while gaining current platform features. Finally, extracting the SQL. Open the RSW file in R&R to extract the SQL query text used in the report. Save the query to a SQL file for use in any database tool like SQL Server Management Studio or dbeaver. This approach preserves the data extraction logic, enabling continued use of the underlying queries, even without R&R available. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.